Today we're going to do the cast on stitch for the 3D lily pad pond stitch along. You can see there are these cute little wiggly loops down here in the bottom right of our pond scene. So we will want 6 strands of our darkest green color here, and we're going to bring our needle up on one side of our line. And then just like the bullion knot, bring our needle back down on the other side and then slide our needle through the fabric to the other side there, like so. And mine's a little hard because my hoop stand is in the way, so I'm going to rotate this. All right, so we have our needle sticking out of the fabric here. Now this thread that's coming out of the fabric, we want to cast it on to our needle. So we're going to cross it over itself and slide that loop onto our needle there, like so. And we're going to do this about 12 times. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, make sure you don't overlap your cast on stitches, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now that all of our cast on stitches are there, I'm going to pinch it around the needle and then gently tug that needle through the fabric and pull until everything is nice and tight and it starts to curve around. And we want to pull towards the other side of our line there where we came up through the fabric. And now just bring your needle back down on that other side